Mikey D here. Welcome to my kitchen where we cook, we eat, we drink a little vino, and everything else in life that stresses us out, forget about it. So, what's the Goomba Gourmet cooking up today? Alright, here goes the whole head again. I can't keep things too simple, but simple enough that anybody can do it. Alright, so what are we going to do? We're going to make some chicken roll-ups. I've got some chicken breast here. I've already sliced them. I sliced them in half, trying to make them nice and thin. I've pounded them out. Alright, so we've got some strips here of chicken breast. Okay, I've got more here. So here we've got some red peppers. I've got some julienne sun-dried tomatoes. I've got some prosciutto. I've got some sliced mozzarella and sliced fontina cheese. Then we've got minced garlic. I've got some parsley. I've got fresh leaf spinach, Parmesan cheese, black pepper, kosher salt. I've got my white wine. Gotta have that white wine. And I've got some seasoned breadcrumbs. Now, the julienne sun-dried tomatoes come in oil. So I've got some of that oil right here. Okay? So I've got a pan here, baking pan with some butter. So the first thing I'm going to do, all right, is I'm going to melt up that butter in the pan. All right, I'm going to put it in the oven, melt it up a little bit. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll these up and we're going to cook them up. All right, so let me do that. And how's everybody doing, by the way? How you guys doing this week? Has it been a stressful week, a fun week, you know? It's always a little bit of something, right? But every day we get up is a good day, right? So, and every day I get to cook and I get to eat, hey, it's a great day. Because cooking and eating, it's my favorite pastime. Okay, let's get to this. We'll be right back. Okay, so while that butter is, we're getting that melted in that pan, we're going to start rolling up. So basically really simple. Let's take a slice of the mozzarella, okay, slice of the fontina cheese, some prosciutto, some of the red pepper, okay, a little bit of the sun-dried tomatoes, not too much. Okay? Some of the leaf spinach. Very simple. All we're going to do is roll this up. Okay? Toothpick. Another toothpick. And there you go. Okay? We'll just, I'll put this aside for now. I'm going to continue. Okay, we're working with chicken. Make sure you're always keeping things clean. Keep everything clean. Don't use this towel for anything else. Make sure you wash this. Okay, we want to keep everything clean. We're working with raw chicken. Okay, we'll be right back. Okay, we're back. So, I rolled them all up. Hopefully you saw in the video how simple that was. Just pretty much take the cheese, take your prosciutto, layer it on there, throw some of that fresh spinach on top, roll them up, stick your toothpicks in, and that's about it, okay? I had that butter melting in the pans in the oven, okay? I ended up doing another one because I made a little more than I thought I was going to, so I think I'm going to need another pan to put them in. Okay, so now, very simply, all we're going to do is we're going to take a little bit of the minced garlic. All right, sprinkle that in. I do love my garlic. I think everybody knows that, right? Okay, just sprinkle that in that with that butter. All we're going to do here is take our roll-ups. Okay, start to put them in the pan. I lost a piece of pepper. Shove that pepper in there. Okay, we got another one. We got that there. Maybe I'll put 4 in this and 5 in that one. I don't know. What do you think? Yep. Okay, move over, guys. Get out of the way. Make some room for this breast here. Okay. Simple. I've got more butter. Okay, pour the butter on. Yeah, this is going to be really tasty. Okay, pour that butter over. Oh yeah. Okay, got your butter. Let's get some of that white wine. I do like a little white wine, don't I? And a little red wine, don't I? Okay, the oil from the sun-dried tomatoes. Get that on there. Oh, I'm ready to eat this now. Well, who eats raw chicken? I don't know. They say that's good for pets, though. A raw diet. I know people that do that. But my doggy Chester, I don't know. Chester, you want some raw chicken? I don't think that's something for him. He's like us. He likes it cooked. Okay, let's take some more of that garlic. Now we're going to sprinkle it all on the top. Did I mention these are like garlic chicken roll-ups? Okay, salt. We don't need too much of the salt. Remember we got the prosciutto in there. It's a little bit salty. Okay, just a little sprinkle. Little sprinkle. Okay, didn't even use the whole teaspoon. Ah, black pepper. I do like my black pepper. Get some black pepper on there. It smells so good. Okay, Parmesan cheese. Let's get some of that on there. Okay. The breadcrumbs, seasoned breadcrumbs. Now, if you're looking to do the keto thing and you don't want the breading, don't put the breadcrumbs. Okay? Normally what I would do is just, you know what? In fact, that's what I think I'm going to do. I'm going to put the breadcrumbs on this, and I'm going to be a good boy tonight. Because I'm always a good boy. Yeah, right. I think my wife would beg to differ. What do you say, Sue? Okay, so next, let's throw a little extra parsley on there. Okay, so we've got some with the breading and some without the breading. How's that look? No breading. Oh, look at all that. No juices in there. Breading. Okay? You know what we're going to do with this now? Very simple. We're going to pop it in the oven, 400, probably about 40 minutes or so. We're going to watch it, and we'll be back for the taste test. See you soon. we're all done. Here we've got both of them. So what I did towards the end, I cooked it on about 40 minutes, 35, roughly 35 minutes or so, 40 minutes on 425. That the juices were just boiling up in there, cooking that chicken real well. Then for the last few minutes, I just kind of do what I do a lot. I like that little crisp, and I put it on broil. All right, so for you guys, I'm going to taste both, right? I should do both, you know, with the breadcrumbs and without. So, you know, I really haven't been very good on the whole keto thing, I got to be honest.
You don't say.
I don't know. I'm weak. I'm just so weak.
You don't say.
I don't know. Anyway, I love food. What can I tell you?
You don't say.
I love all kinds of food. So, I mean, I will get there. I know, psychologically, I will get myself there to where I will do it. Summer's coming, and I really need to. So, I mean, this isn't really great on keto either, you know. And I have to cut my wine out? Model. All right, okay, so let's do this. Let's cut this open. I'll take one of these. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, look at the juices. Oh my God, look at that. Okay. All right, so let's do a little. Remember, got to get a little bit of everything, right? What's my wife always say? You got to have a little bit of everything in there. Okay, we don't want the toothpick though. The toothpick we don't want in there. That you got to take out. Okay, here we go. Oh, that's hot. We got the prosciutto, the peppers, the sun-dried tomatoes, the spinach. You got all the cheeses. I'm gonna put spinach. Here we go. Oh. Wow. 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 Wow, wow, wow. Look at that. That is awesome. That is so delicious. Can you see that right in there? Huh? You know, I'm on my own doing this right now because my son's not here. Like I said in the last video, he usually does all the filming, you know, directs me a bit and throws in he does all the editing, but he's not here, so I'm kind of doing this on my phone and sending him the clips, and he's doing the editing. You got to watch a lot of these videos all the way through because he's always throwing in some funny stuff. I don't even know what he's going to throw in until it's done.
That is very much adequate.
Like, there are times where my wife and I were watching, he'll send us, okay, you're all done, you're up. And some of the things he throws in, we're in tears. It's so funny. So you really got to watch him because sometimes I ask people, did you see that thing that he threw in about such and such? And they're like, I don't remember. Believe me, if you watch the whole thing from beginning to end, you're going to remember. So you got to do that. Throw some comments in there. I really appreciate it. Follow me on YouTube. I'm trying to get to that 1,000 subscribers. It's not easy, but they say I'm doing really well where I am for the amount of time I'm doing this. Anyway, all right, so now let's do the other one. Okay, let's cut this one up. Once again, got to have a little bit of everything, but not the toothpick. We don't want the toothpick. Oh, hi, Rosie. Rosie just came in to say hi. Okay. I know, you smell all the food I'm cooking. Rosie's actually my son's puggle. He's in Pennsylvania. He's living up in Pennsylvania. So we have her for a little while because she actually lived here for many, many years. And she keeps Chester, my Shiba Inu company. They grew up together. So anyway, yes, little girl. Yes, I know. Okay. You want to say hi to everybody? Okay, wait. You say hi to everybody. Okay, let's do this. See everything in there? Oh my God. Before you even get it in your mouth, the aromas from everything. I know, you can't deal with it. I know. She's hungry now. I can't blame her. Okay, come here, man. Hey. Oh, this is Rosie. This is a Rosie girl. Yes, no, I know. Yes, we'll feed you. Yes, I know. I love you too. Okay. All right, don't keep Chester company until I'm done, all right? Anyway, I hope you check this out. I know, I will. She's hungry. I gotta go. Thank you for coming into my kitchen where we cook, we eat, we drink a little vino, we have dogs barking that are very hungry, and everything else in life that stresses us out, forget about it.